Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado diamonds, are rare and mysterious gemstones with a unique structure that differs from traditional transparent diamonds. Because of their unusual appearance, many people confuse them with ordinary black stones or fake materials. Fortunately, there are a few simple tests you can perform at home to get an initial idea of whether your black diamond Carbonado might be real. Open quote, note, home tests are not 100% conclusive. For full verification, a professional gemologist is always recommended. Close quote. 1. Visual inspection and surface texture test. One of the easiest ways to check a black diamond Carbonado is by carefully examining its surface. What to look for? Carbonado diamonds usually have a rough, porous, and uneven surface. They often show small holes or grainy textures. Unlike polished black diamonds, Carbonado rarely looks smooth or shiny naturally. Why this works. Carbonado diamonds are polycrystalline, meaning they are made of many tiny diamond crystals fused together. This gives them a unique, rugged appearance that fake stones often lack. Density and weight test. Real diamonds, including Carbonado, are relatively heavy compared to many fake stones. How to test at home. Hold the black stone in your hand and compare its weight with another stone of similar size. Carbonado diamonds feel surprisingly heavy for their size. Extra tip, if you have a small scale, measure the weight and compare it to similar sized quartz or volcanic stones. Carbonado will usually be denser. Carbonado 3, heat and fog test, breath test. This simple test uses the diamond's ability to disperse heat quickly. How to do it. Clean the stone, breathe warm air onto the surface, just like fogging a mirror. Observe how fast the fog disappears. Results. Real Carbonado diamond, fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stone or glass, fog lingers for a few seconds. Why it works. Diamonds have excellent thermal conductivity, meaning they disperse heat faster than most materials. Final thoughts. Carbonado diamonds are rare and fascinating stones, but their unusual look makes them easy to confuse with fakes. These three home tests, visual inspection, weight comparison, and the fog test, can help you make a first judgment.